Welcome, today in front of me Motorola G71 5G, and I'll show you how to mute ringtone on this device. So first you should go into the settings app and then tap here on the sounds and vibration. Here as can you see we got the ringtone notification button. Just to mute your ringtone you should swipe this blue dot to the left side with your finger by this way. And also you got the second way how we can do that. Just here on the right side of your device you got the volume buttons. Just press one from your volume buttons and here click to the settings icon, and by the same way you can mute your ringtone by just swap this blue dot to the left side and then just tap here to done to save all the changes. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.